Welcome, today in front of me ASUS Zenfone 9 and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago and now I'll try to unlock the device with my face a couple of times and we'll see how fast this watcher is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock feature works here so fast and correct. We can unlock the device just letting in half second. This is the really good result. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.